Hey, welcome back to Lori's Life. Today I'm doing a recipe with my arugula. So I'm going to be marinating this chicken in some Grill Mates Hawaiian Luau seasoning. So I'm going to wash all of this. I don't have my phone holder today, but I like to wash my meat. Yeah. I won't use all of this. I'm making shish kebabs, but gotta wash this pretty good. So the Grill Mate package calls for 1/4 cup of oil and 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to dump that in and mix it up. So I mixed it up, poured the oil and apple cider vinegar and the package. And it calls for 2 pounds of chicken or pork. So I'm going to marinate this. It says to marinate it for about half an hour. So this is about half of the chicken that I washed. And I'm just going to let it soak in this for a while I vacuum my car, take a shower. What else do I need to do? I have so much going on. I should change the water in the fish tank too. Just might do that. But the package was old, so it's kind of chunky. The bits didn't break up too good. So anyway, yep, I'll let that marinate and be back. So I have to chop up my zucchini squash. Well, this is a summer squash. And some onions, rough cut. And I have nice cherry tomatoes to put on my skewers. I'll have to cut up the chicken once it's done. But, you know, these, you can just do them kind of chunky. Oh no, let's see. Yeah, that should be good. Try to keep them together and put them on the skewers. So, alright. While I'm doing this, I gotta get the rice on and tend to my other chores. But that's a good size for the skewers. It's nice and rough cut. I'll be back.